because the tweeter. Alright, let's load up our game. Only 9.5%. Alright, cool. Sounds good. Confirm load, yes! Did you know when feeding a baby dinosaur, hold your hand flat and don't tease. Even herbivores can bite. Alrighty then, I guess. Like our other Avery resident pterodon Dimorphodon is not a dinosaur but a pterosaur, flying reptiles that lived at the same time. Fascinating. Fossil evidence means the gallimimus should have feathers. Jurassic World's geneticists are working hard to refine the de-extinction process to bring this dinosaur up to date. Fascinating. Coins. Gah! These are not coins. Yeah. Where are we? Is this it? No. Is this our next thing? Where are we at? We were right there. We have to go all the way to the other side. So to my left. So this way. Alright. What do you do? Civa stops there. Alright, so we'll go over here to continue our story.
Hey, someone! These little green things have got me surrounded! I never should have swapped my stun rod for Morris's dessert.
Ooh. Poo, Sarah Harding. There you go. Go Dino poo diving! Ew, Dino poo. She sure loves her Dino poo. Alright, who do we need? I guess you'd be our dino expert at this time. Oh, I guess you. Timbo. Rolling. Alright, where are we going? No kidding, they'd love to roll around in their poo. Banana. I'm gonna get you with this banana. Okay. I need two other things. That would be Nick. Come here, Nick. Let's open this thing up. Alright, and then the next one would be Ian. Carrot and a flare. Carrot and a flare. Alright, that's right. You put your flare out like it's... Why is this guy trying to beat me up? What is this thing? Over here? What's this? No, that's not us. Alright, what's this? Oh, I guess we gotta find a drill of some kind for that. Alright, gotta find that last piece. Or that mushroom, wherever it is at. Is this a dig pile? No, it's not a dig pile. I know, right? You profit. You need to profit from the destruction. destructive prophet. Ian does not know how to fight. He's like, swing, swing, kick, fall. Swing, swing, kick, fall. Swing, swing, kick, fall. Oh, goodness. Okay, what can we do? What can we do with these little things, these little shits? Okay. No. No. Can I get a car? This is Dino. Hey, killer! What's going on? Oh, is it this thing? Do I put this together? What's this? Why was this Y? Or do I put... what's... You say... Oh, you? Okay. Alright, Robert. Okay. What did I want you for? Okay, I have no idea. Nothing too much. I don't want you. Oh, here we go. There we go. I had to break it. I didn't know. I thought it was already broken. Oh my god. Okay, that was... I guess the mushroom's right here. Mushroom! Mushroom. Nice. Here you go, girl. Okay. Because that doesn't work for them. They're not very afraid of the Triceratops. Yay, we got through. Moving on to the next part.
Help! Help me! These little pests looks a lot bigger close up.
Oh, I know who that is.
That idiot bird said they weren't dangerous. Hey, Carter! Where are ya?
Carter!
We're meant to be safety partners.
Carter! Carter! Alright. Oh, you again? Alright, get out the way. Get out the way. Oh, no, I failed. Yeah, it's not a bunch of fun. This is a bunch of fun now. Well, I guess it's suggestive. You, Ian? Oh, I remember this part. This is the T-Rex run.
Oh, what? I turned my back for 5 seconds and the little pests have dragged my gun up a tree. I should have signed up to that other mission on the island full of kittens instead.
The island full of kittens. Oh, Goodness. I've seen Jurassic kitten. Cleopatra. Sorry, Cleo is in the kitten habitat. Work is based on. Have you read the Raptor Red book? I have not read any of the books, unfortunately, but I have put that on my list of to do eventually. I hear the books are really, really freaking good. Oh, I need Tim. Yeah, I don't have the required characters for that. Oh no, that's still not the right characters. Kitten habitat. What would you rather we call it? The kitten paddock? The kitten paddock. There we go.
You want to learn something new, huh? Then I'm happy to
Dilophosaurus
help.
walks on two muscular legs and is relatively fast, leaving bird-like footprints only show the impressions of claw tips. Simon Maserati begins to acquire international the passing of Dr. John Hammond.
The operations building is right down in there.
He's got a teddy bear.
A mile and a half from the base of these cliffs. We'll let them sleep.
Their washing machine.
What is that?
Don't run!
They're holding hands. Don't run! Don't run! And we run anyway.
No, not Larry! He owed me money!
Not Larry! Larry, why? Oh no! Run! Run!
It's okay. That's not how it works. You feel better.
It's not okay!
Oh, come on. Everyone knows that one's name.
Larry, why?
I'm gonna wake up in a minute, right?
Right? Ew, you got some stuck on your foot. Run! Run! Woo. Hey, awesomeness! That's definitely the last time I took a cheetah run. I know, right, Vodka? But remember, this is a different one.
It's coming back!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. First of all, the guy with the snakes gets eaten. Not into the long grass! Not into the long grass! Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Hey! Look at this. I think it's RJ's back.
Run.
Go.
Go, 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 run.
Watch out for the helicopter!
For the last time, just hold the Velociraptor.
Watch out for the helicopters. Oh my goodness. Later eye killer. Oh no, it's compies. No way. Wait, is that a lawnmower? Oh my goodness. It's a freaking lawnmower. Jurassic Park humor, man. Jurassic Park humor, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, copies. Goodness gracious. Oh, need a shovel. No! Slap. I was about to say the Sockers are so comedic. The Raptors are so comedic. Oh no! Dilophosaurus! Dilophosaurus! Please. I don't want any of what you're selling.
It's got my foot! It's got my foot! Gosh, that's not funny! I really thought it was a raptor! Go!
Maybe I can help.
Don't talk to me. Oh no! Stop, you're not a fighter. I guess we build something with those. Crap. Like there's just a random skeleton out here.
Hello? Is anyone there? I think I'm lost. Ooh! I think I can see someone's backpacks in the grass. Oh no. The backpack's attached to their arm. It's still attached to their arm. And their arm is attached to the rest of their body.
Dude, will you shut up? I'm trying to hide here.
And now the body is talking. Ah!
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, it's tickling me. No. For the love of everything, it's tickling me. No, not the sides. I thought I was going to be eaten. Like some kind of pie. Possibly chicken.
Possibly chicken.
This was the worst idea ever.
You're telling me my hay fever is acting up a storm.
Oh my goodness. Yay, more poo diving. What did we find? Some bits and pieces. What are we building? A lawnmower? Oh, that.
Oh, wow. I owe you my life. Can I give you $10 instead?
I owe you my life. Can I give you $10 instead? Oh my goodness. It was an ice cream truck. Oh my goodness. I need a lawn raptor. Goodness gracious. Hey, did that one catch the ice cream truck? It did catch the ice cream truck. Raptor wants that? Oh. Ah, Dilophosaurus. Oh, another Stalker. Can she scream too? Yes. Oh, shit. What is she gonna build? What the hell is that thing? Oh my, are you serious? Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet gravy. Raptors are so easily distracted. So I have learned that they like ice cream. They have a soft spot for ice cream. Dr. Grant. I can't get it. Got a soft spot for ice cream and hamburgers. Get off that. Break it. There you go. Break that. Yay, Lego pieces. Legos! Did you guys see that too? I swear that the... He's wearing his hat.
You hadn't come along, I'd have been done for. Kaput. I would have shuffled off my mortal coil, kicked the bucket, popped my clogs, taken a dirt nap. I'd have been pushing up the daisies.
Yes, yes, we get it. Oh no, guys, I think we froze the game. Oh no, yep. Pretty sure we froze the game. Oh, what a picture to freeze it at. Oh my goodness. Let's get back into it. Come on, let's get back into it. There we go. Oh, no, I knew it frozen me. I bet money on it. Yeah, we saw. Okay, there were raptors were one of the main things. Just had to think about it for a second. We gotta watch the whole opening. Hey, Mecha! Easter egg. Dinosaurs are born out of Easter eggs. Load game. Yes. Tough as they are susceptible to mouth parasites that their bird's cousin. Regular checkups to keep your tyrant dinosaurs healthy. When threatened, Stegosaurus will turn its head back to look over its shoulder to better aim the swing of its dangerous tail. Like the skin of a shark, the scales of Mosasaurus are keeled, meaning that they have rough ridge on the leg. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, I gotta do all that over again? Oh my goodness, the salt. The salt, guys, the salt. get to this one first. Alright, Burke. Get over here, build me the jumping thing. Alright, get up there. Alright, cool. Pick up the coins. Anybody? The kittens, they're crying. Oh, girl's getting on that salt train. Oh my goodness, babies. But I can't use it yet. I lost some money. It runs to. Kittens! The kittens are crying. Yes. They're probably hungry again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Starving babies. Oh. 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 You got both of them? Gotta make sure that you don't show biasness now. Get the flare out. Walk in here and get the carrot that's hidden in the back. Meow. Oh, they're so little. Little kittens. Ice cream. Oh, it's ice cream hidden in the back of the cave. What the hell? Oh. 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 Oh my goodness. They are so upset. Alright, pick up this mushroom, jump off this, go feed the Triceratops. Come here, Trike. Nom nom nom! Turn the camera, aim it. Ram it. What?
Help! Help me! These little pests look a lot bigger close up. That idiot bird said they weren't dangerous.
They're not.
Hey, Carter! Where are ya? We're meant to be safety partners.
Carter? Carter? Oh, please don't freeze up on me again.
Just isn't a proper campfire without s'mores. I could really go for one right about now.
Yeah, but you and half the other.
Oh, what? I turned my back for 5 seconds and the little pests have dragged my gun up a tree. I should have signed up to that other mission on the island full of kittens instead.
Kitten Park. Or Jurassic Kitten. Jurassic Kitten. Someone photoshopped all the scenes from Jurassic Park into kittens. Oh my goodness. I need food now, human. Food. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's start this again.
You want to learn something new, huh?
then I'm happy to help.
It goes through. Right about the age of 14, they pack on 1,000 pounds a year until they reach an adult. Woo! So let's find a source. Eating it can swallow the average. Oh my goodness, an average human being whole. That's a little scary.
The operations building is right down in there. About a mile and a half from the base of these cliffs. We'll let them sleep. One more hour.
Nom. What was that?
What is that?
Don't run!
Like Nick looks at the two that are holding hands and like, what the? What? Cleo's getting in there too. Oh no! Run! Ah! Run! Quit yelling at me, Dino.
That's not how it works, you stupid!
That's not how it works,
Come
stupid.
on! Everyone knows Alan's name!
I'm gonna wake up in a minute, right?
Ah! Stuck on the foot. I wasn't watching. Thought it was just the running sequence again. Woohoo! He's like, he's scared. He's more scared of the snake. Ooh. Oh, gotta have the hair, man. I'm telling you.
Not into the long grass!
Long grass. My hat. My backpack. My hat. Soccer ball. Woohoo. Oh, that's not good. Don't go to jail now.
Hey! Look at this. I think it's RJ's back. Go.
Oh, we will save here this time. Alright, we have nobody that can do that this time.
Stay out of the long grass!
Oh, okay, so I missed that first one.
Thank you. I thought my goose was cooked.
So you go back into the long grass.
Jump for the helicopters! For the last time, you're called Velociraptor!
For the last time, they're called Velociraptors, not helicopters. That is always a good plan to have. Ugh. Throwing it at the T-Rex. Let's build our famous lawnmower here. Dang, I missed that blue one. Lawnmower! Get the lawnmower! Had a good T-Rex. What the hell is he doing? And boop. I like that she boops it. Boop. Kick. Then it runs away. Raptor's like, I got her pinned. But she booped me. I need to run away. Kinda figured something would be over there. There it goes again. I didn't notice that last time. Okay. Well, that's right. I was probably too worried about these things. Oh no, get out of the long grass. Stay out of the long grass. Go into the long grass.
Gosh, that's not funny. I thought it was a raptor. Oh.
I thought it was a raptor. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness gracious. Lawnmower plus raptors. It's only digging through shit. Ah, no kid. No, why would you go back? Damn it. I'm just trying to pick up the coin. Alright. Woohoo, broke it.
Hello? Is anyone there? I think I'm lost. Ooh, I think I can see someone's backpack through the grass. Oh no. The backpack's attached to their arm. It's still attached to their arm. And their arm is attached to their body.
Dude, will you shut up? I'm trying to hide here.
Oh, goodness. That joke. That joke, man. So they gotta go. I should be up by 5 tomorrow morning. Nice! We will see you tomorrow. Red will be streaming tomorrow. Sometime tomorrow, or probably around the same time as usual. Be sure to check him out. Nice.
It's tickling me. No. For the love of everything, it's tickling me.
For the love of everything, it's tickling me.
I thought it was going to be eaten. Like some kind of pie. Possibly chicken.
Like it.
Go into the long grass. This was the worst idea ever.
You're telling me my hay fever is acting up a storm.
Oh. Why am I being so scared? They're just 2 raptors. Time for someone to go poo digging. Poo digging! What is it, kid? Yeah, love me some fresh poo. What is it?
Oh, wow. I owe you my life. Can I give you $10 instead?
Call it even. No! Mr. Raptor! Mr. Raptor! Oh goodness. All the red books that multiply score at once. Oof. Need to finish the game so I can start doing all the extra stuff. Playing with the Dino creator. I want a pet T-Rex. I want a pet T-Rex. I want a pet T-Rex. Somebody did the math. I mean, yeah, it's pretty, yeah, for sure. You know, somebody did the math, and it would cost $23.8 billion to start up Jurassic Park, to start a real Jurassic Park, and then 12 point something billion dollars a year to upkeep. So, stop that. So, that's less than the Olympics, by the way. So, if somebody was looking to a serious alternative to the Olympics, just build Jurassic Park. Like, we're talking about a real Jurassic Park 2. One with dinosaurs and whatnot. Granted, if they could get it to work. So, that price would probably go up. But hey, you never know. Maybe if you put that much money into it, somebody may be able to figure out how to do it. So. Oh, goodness. Lawnmower's like, not this time, bitch. But it's less money than the Olympics. Like, it's a lot of money, but whenever they do the Olympics, it's more than that. Like, twice as much.
I would have shuffled off my mortal coil. Kick the bucket.
I'll let him finish talking before I jump down.
I'd have been pushing up the daisies.
Alright, he's done talking? Okay. Okay. There we go.
They said the communication center is in the operations building. So I'll get in there and I'll send the radio call, all right? I'll see you there.
What's your...
Every second counts. Anyone who thinks they can keep up, welcome to try.
My bad. The Hunted. Oh wow, that was the end of level 2 and I had to replay that whole damn thing. Oh my goodness. Salty. Salty. Someone give me some salt. Wow, I came out even. 590,400. 99%. Wow. But with red eyes. Hell yeah. Carter. Eleanor, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you being weird about it? What did I unlock? The Parasaurolophus. Nice. Eleanor. Hell yeah. You need to stay around more often so I can talk dinosaur, talk Jurassic Park. Hey, Vault! How you doing?